Hello, everyone. This is Eric, the River Ninja. I received actually, I'm in Ireland right now, and was thinking if I go to paddle or not. But I wanted to show you what is the HIKS sent me last week. It's a electric pump, and I'm going to show you what does it look like. This is what you call unboxing. Thank you, HIKS, for supporting me, and thank you for sending me this. So here we go. Instruction. And obviously the attachment, all of the attachment is there. And here you go. This is, I believe, is a 20 psi electric pump, which is good if you have a longer and bigger paddle board. And on the box is included this one and a bag. Ta-da! So this is 20 psi. I used to have a 15 psi, and I'm going to show you what's the difference and what it looks like. So this is my old one. This is the 15 psi. It actually can push you up to 16 psi. Yeah, you see the difference between the two. I think this is much faster than this one. Yeah, I have a 2 paddle board to test this today. One is the Tidal King with a required on 15 psi, and the Aqua Marina, which is required 18 psi. So this is the board that I'm talking about, the Aqua Marina 14 feet and the Tidal King, which is 10.6. I'm going to use the pump, the HIKS pump, for this one, and see how many minutes it will be finished. So I'm going to put the connection. They say inflate and deflate. I'm going to inflate. That's it. And straightforward, put it into 15 psi. PSI, and connect. And power on.
Do ba 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 do boo doo a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do.
I'm impressed. It's less than 10 minutes. Wow, I'm really impressed. By HIKS. You will never be wrong with the HIKS. Buy it now. Okay. Set program again. 18 psi. Have to change it. So I have to change it to much more thinner one because it won't and connected. So going there, yeah. So 12:23.
That's fun, yeah.
So there you go, guys. Yeah, around 18 psi is around 15 minutes roughly. For 15 psi it's around 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Highly recommendable. If you want to buy a electric pump, HIKS will not let you down. You know, it's good, it's nice, it's handy, it's just bad, and yeah, it will save your time. So while you are doing some stuff, and at least you will not pump while you're doing more stuff when you go out. So yeah, next time you're going to get a electric pump, make sure it's a HIKS. Yeah, and now it's time to paddle. See you next time. This is your River Ninja. Say goodbye. See you again.